Did you know that up to 80% of women experience hot flashes during menopause, and some can last up to 10 years? The good news is you don't have to just suffer through it. Today, we're diving into hot flashes, what causes them, how they impact daily life, and most importantly, what you can start doing right now to feel better. Let's take back your comfort, your confidence, and your calm. So if you're dealing with hot flashes, you know how disruptive they can be. One minute you're fine, and the next it feels like an internal furnace flips on. Your face gets red, your body overheats, you're drenched in sweat, and it can strike at the worst times. Meetings, workouts, even in the middle of the night. Beyond the physical discomfort, it's exhausting emotionally. You might feel embarrassed, frustrated, and even anxious about when the next one will hit. And sometimes it can feel like no one really understands just how much it's impacting your life. But I see you, and I get it, and you're not alone, and there are things you can do. There's no one-size-fits-all cure, but here are a few strategies that research and real-life women have found incredibly helpful. Cooling nutrition. Eating more plant-based foods like leafy greens, berries, flax seeds, and soy can help balance hormones naturally. Cutting back on spicy foods, alcohol, and caffeine can make a big difference as well. Movement matters. Regular exercise, especially strength training and gentle yoga, can help regulate temperature control and support hormone balance. Stress management, breath work, meditation, mindfulness. They aren't just for relaxation. They lower cortisol, which can help reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes. Natural helpers, supplements like black cohosh, evening primrose oil, and magnesium have shown promise for some women, but always check with your doctor first. Environment tweaks. Dress in light layers, keep a fan nearby, and sleep with cooling sheets or a chill pillow to stay ahead of nighttime sweats. Small daily shifts add up, and it's about finding your personal formula that works for you. Here's an empowering insight. A study published in Runner's World highlighted that women who engaged in a 45-minute strength training session 3 times a week for 15 weeks experienced a 50% reduction in the frequency of hot flashes compared to those who didn't exercise. The workouts included exercises like chest presses, leg presses, and seated rows, starting with lighter weights and gradually increasing intensity. Researchers believe that strength training may trigger the release of certain neurotransmitters, helping to regulate body temperature and reduce hot flashes. This isn't just about lifting weights, it's about reclaiming control over your body and finding relief through consistent, empowering movement. Hot flashes are just a natural part of menopause, but they don't have to control your life. With a few smart changes and a little patience, you can feel more comfortable, more confident, and more like yourself again. And a quick note, for some women, hormone replacement therapy, or HRT, can be really helpful for reducing hot flashes. It's not for everyone, but it's worth discussing with your doctor if your symptoms feel overwhelming. Today, I'm focusing on natural strategies you can start right now, but just know there are options out there to support you. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments and share any hot flash hacks you've discovered as well. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and especially share this video. Share it with other women who you know are struggling with symptoms of menopause and need a little support. We're all in this together. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.